Hello guys, today we are going to do lemon, baking soda and candle experiment. Let's see what we'll have. Add some lemon. Add 1 spoon of baking soda. The bubbleness is coming because the carbon dioxide is forming. In lemon is citric acid. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate contain carbon dioxide. So mixed citric acid and baking soda mixed together creating carbon dioxide. So I have candle. When I put inside in them, show inside it. See here. It will off because candle flame need oxygen to burn. In here inside carbon dioxide is here. So carbon dioxide covers the oxygen like a blanket and cut off the oxygen. So flame need oxygen to burn.